Hi everyone. Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how to save your video file in AppSheet, and then play the video file within the AppSheet Detail View. By doing so, we don't need to host the video files on YouTube or other places. And we also don't need to integrate any other third-party services. But we just need to do some simple column settings. To demonstrate this, I have built an app which saving warehouse safety training. You may using this function to build other apps such as company product introduction, technician repairing training, and etc. Alright, let's see how the function works. This is the main view, listing the video that we have saved. By clicking it, it will lead us to the video playing view. Like this. Let's try another record. Next, let's check the form that uploading the video file. There are 3 inputs in the form: the name, the notes, and the file. Let's add a new record to check how it works. The video is not ready due to the data yet to sync. Alright, this is how the app works. Let's start our workshop today. We just have one table, with 4 columns and 1 virtual column. Record ID is a text type with initial value of unique ID. Name column is a name type. Notes column is a long text type. File column is a file type. Play video is a virtual column with show type. Set the play video as shown. Data is ready, let's check the user interface. Set the main view as shown. Next, check the detail view. In the detail view, we just need to set the column order. Lastly, check the form view. In the form view, we may leave it as default. Or you may set the column order, if you want to sort the column according to your will. Alright, we have complete our workshop today. Hope you enjoy the video. See you guys in the next video. Bye.